Welcome back. We'll be discussing quote inside quote. For example, if you're trying to say, "My name is Bukolan. I am the tutor in this Python class." So you can say immediately we run into issues because the IDE PyCharm in this case, notice we are trying to create a string, but from here to here it doesn't recognize. For example, let's say we put this one in single quote and that one is single quote. PyCharm became confused. All it recognizes is this string, and starting from here, starting from the hem up to class, it doesn't recognize it. How do we solve this issue? We can solve this issue in a number of ways. The first one is uh, using opposite opposite strings to enclose the string. Sorry, meant opposite quote. Opposite quotes to enclose the string. In this case, we have used a single quote here. On the outside, we'll be using opposing one, which will be double, and we come here, it will be double. In this case, the issue has been fixed, and if you put that one in the, let's say, um, message equals, if we assign this string to that variable message, we can easily come here and do print message. We thrown, it printed the way we want it. My name is Bola. I am the tutor in this Python class. And if this was a double quote, the same, we arrive at the same problem. We just use opposing quote on the outside. We print it, and it's printed this way. But this is not how English language is written. The easiest way we can do is come here. In the last class, I introduced that concept, but I haven't explained what it is. If you want to include special characters like tab, I will list them. Like say tab, you want is you want to indent using tab. We use backward backslash t for new carriage. So this would be for tab. For new carriage, for tab. For new lines, we do n. So that means the command will go to a new line. For carriage return, we do r. That is carriage return. And for us to include single quote, like our previous example, all we do is do that, put a quote and another quote, right? So that means you are using maybe apostrophe, we call it, in English language. And if you want to include double quote, just do that and you do that. So you'll be using uh, double quote. So in this example, I want to use single quote to enclose my string, and I want to use single quote here. All I have to do is come here, open, I just put backslash. So the backslash will be addressing that apostrophe there. And if I come here to click, so yeah, sorry, that is not meant to be. So if I do run, You see, it says, my name is Bola, I am the tutor in this line. And to give an example of all the stuff that the examples that we have written down here, if I put a, you will say that will be indented differently. You can say the space in between I am, yeah, that one has gone, it has is staying apart from the high. So that is the work of it when you is the equivalent of tab on your keyboard. And if you do N and you put that one will start, this will start on a new line. And if you put like a double apostrophe there and you do that, so it includes double quotes. Apologies, double quotes, not double apostrophe. And R. Let's see what R does. So what it does is he removes everything from there to there and wherever. Yeah, so this is what he has done. He printed my name is Bolan up onto high on the same line, and the feed has gone back to the same line to overwrite the thing it printed first. My name is Bolan, full stop high, and it's now overwritten by the tutor. Does that make sense? So in this particular instance, on the same line, my name is Bolan was printed on this line before, and almost immediately the computer now went back. Instead of starting on a new line, it went back to the same line and print the tutor in this Python class. So this is how we use backslash to you introduce quote, apostrophe, double quotes, carriage return, new line, and tab. So let me just remove this R and put apostrophe for it to make sense. So now it is printing my name is Bolan, I am the tutor in this Python class.